WEN 4212 10-inch variable speed drill press. Spindle travel of 2-2/5 inches. With easy to read, adjustable depth stop for accurate and repeatable drilling operations. 8 inches. x 7-2/3 inches. Cast iron worktable features rack and pinion height adjustment and bevels up to 45 degrees left and right. Laser target your drilling operation marked with an X pattern display. Includes drill press, mechanical variable speed, 1/2 inch. Keyed chuck and key, laser, and tools for assembly. Variable speed operation. Locking depth gauge. 1/2 inch keyed chuck. Onboard key storage. 2/3 HP induction motor. 10-inch swing. 2-3/8 inch spindle travel. Beveling worktable. Precision laser. Digital speed readout. 2-year warranty. Depth adjustment gauge. Set the depth adjustment lever to limit your spindle travel for accurate and repeatable drilling operations.